Hey guys, hi. Let's wait for some time. Thank you. Hey guys, hi. Welcome all the participants. Sharing my screen. So guys, now that you guys are working on podcast, I can have exactly what I'm working on each one. I have this sharing where you mentoring. In this, there are no gaps, details, and status. Okay. So let me first share this big class. Basically, we need to have it. Okay. And enter access I'm giving. Please check in the chat section as or like Q&A section. I've shared this link. Okay, you can download this sheet. Yes, I'm audible. I hope I'm clearly audible to you, right? Can you give me thumbs up?
Guys, can you give me thumbs up? Participants, can you give me thumbs up? Am I audible and my screen visible? Okay.
You are audible.
Okay. See guys, I have just shared you one sheet. I request all of you to please come on this sheet. In this sheet, you have to give your project title, okay, on whichever project you are working on. Then your name, your email address, branch, college name. This is a status sheet number, which is talking about this particular sheet. Then have you enrolled for the project? Okay. 1 second, guys. Yes, whether it is work in progress, completed, like that. Okay. Apart from that, if you see there is a status sheet. In this status sheet, again, whatever serial number you are filling here, try to fill with the same serial number here also. Okay. So that whatever serial number you are having on the status sheet, this number, you have to mention here. Okay. You have to mention here. Okay. And in this, you can see these are all the templates that you need to complete. Okay. Do not in the project development as of now, it will be work in progress. Okay, it will be in progress for now. Once you complete it, you can make it completed. Okay, rest you can see there are all the templates that you have to work on: problem statement, project proposal, final report, raw data source identification. And in each of these you'll find three things: backlog, in progress, completed. Backlog means you have not yet started. In progress means you are working on it. Completed means you have completed it. Okay, like this, please fill this, uh, complete this sheet, guys. To please complete this sheet. Try to work on the same serial number in the status sheet also. Okay, provide the status sheet serial number here also, so that it's easy for us to track you. Parthiv Patel, I have just shared one sheet. Please fill this sheet. Okay, all of you, please fill this sheet. This is a sheet where you just have to provide your project details, your name, your email address, your branch, college name. Okay, and after that, have you enrolled for the project? Enrolled, facing problem, not yet enrolled, and project status will be work in progress as of now. Okay, in the same way, you have a second sheet, status. Here also you have to provide the same details, whatever project you're working on, your name, and these are all the templates which you will be working. Okay, you just have to select in progress, completed, or backlog, like that. So this is easy for us not attending the session. If you update it here, it will be easy for the mentor to understand you are in which stage. Okay. Can you do it, guys? All of you, please do it. Telegram group. I'll share this sheet here also in the group also. Because I want the participants who have not joined the session, they can also fill it. Okay. So where is the group? Data analytics. Data analyst. Please fill this sheet. Okay. Give your registered email ID only, guys. Do not give any other email IDs here. Please give registered email IDs only. All right. So later, even if you're not attending, please update this sheet so that we from our end, we can understand what are you exactly working on. Okay. Please do not do any changes in the font and style, guys. Okay. Only please edit this sheet and do not change anybody else details. Okay. So with this, you can see who all has completed till what stage. You can also track it. You will also come to know. So if your friend is not joined the session, please ask him also to provide these details. Okay. We cannot each time reach you out, right? Please ask your friend also to provide these details. Apart from this, if anybody else having any query, you can post in the chat section. Okay. Guys, serial number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are empty. Nobody has filled it. Please check that. Serial number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Nathana Srinivas, is the recordings not yet updated? Just give me a second. Why it has been like that? This is 1 day ago. I can see. What is this recording mode? Okay, this is about queries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let me check with my team. Okay. Let me check. Sheikh, better you do it now. Please update it now. Please update it right now. Prabhav Gupta, you have to give your details. You have to give your details. Okay. You'll not find your name in the sheet. You have to provide your details. That is why I told you guys, please join sessions on time. Okay. You join session late and you miss certain things. Where is the second sheet? Parthi Patel, you can check the sheet, right? Why you're saying like that? You can see here we have a status sheet. There is two sheets, details and status. That's it. That you have to fill. You can see multiple students are already filling it. Try to go with the same serial number that you have here. Okay. Guys, do not edit anybody else details. Do not anybody else details. Okay. Do not edit anybody else details. Please provide your own details only in the sheet. Prabhav Gupta and Patel, I hope you are filling the sheet. Next time onwards, it will be easy for me just to trace this sheet to understand what is your status. Instead of reaching you out, I can look into this sheet, correct? So that is the reason I'm doing this activity right now. See guys, serial number 12, 13, 14, and 15 are still empty. Same 17, 18, 19. Please fill them. Somebody has gone to serial number 36, leaving the previous serial numbers as blank as possible. Please fill it, guys. Apart from this, if you guys have any queries, you can ask me. Okay. Complete this, guys. What is the status sheet serial number? Randhi Srivalli, if you see, there is a second tab here called status. When you're providing your details in the status tab, you have to check the serial number. Whatever serial number you are providing, on whichever serial number you are providing, same serial number you have to give here. Same serial number you have to give here. So for simplification, what you can do, whichever serial number you are filling the details on the details section, on the details sheet, go with the same serial number on the status sheet also. Okay. Otherwise, I will not be able to understand now. Your details are on which particular serial number in this status sheet. Through this status sheet only, I can understand you are working on which particular template. Correct. The first sheet is only about your details. Okay, your email, your branch, college name, and which project you have enrolled. Second sheet talks about your project project status. I can see people only filling the details sheet and not filling the status sheet. Guys, please fill the status sheet also. Please fill the status sheet also. This is a one-time activity, guys. Please fill the status sheet also. And keep updating the status sheet, guys, as soon as you complete any specific template. All right. You have to keep updating the status sheet as soon as you complete any specific template. Please take some time and fill the sheet. Jessica, I have shared the sheet again. Please check it. Prabha Gupta, whatever serial number you are there, your details is present on the status sheet. That serial number you have to give here, okay, in the detail sheet. There is a subsheet called status sheet. Whatever serial number you are providing your details in the status sheet, the same serial number you have to give here. Okay. It's kind of a mapping between the two sheets. Prabha Gupta already shared this sheet link multiple times. Please check the sheet. Arul Chandran is by 26th. 26th. Try to finish it. 26th. Okay. Guys, are you filling the sheet? Okay. Prabha Gupta, please fill the status sheet also. Serial number 39, right? Please fill the status sheet also. Why you have gone so down? There were a lot of spaces, right? Serial number 26 was empty. Serial number 22 was also, there was space. Serial number 50 is also empty, guys. Please someone put his details in serial number 15 also. Serial number 15 is also vacant. You can fill it there. Please provide your college names with the place. Give your college name, comma, your place or state like that. Better give the state. College name, comma, state. Okay. What is the status sheet serial number? Way to fill the sheet onwards. Varshita, you joined late. Hana Sheikh, that is what I'm repeating multiple times. Please listen to me and understand. Uh, there are two sheets, correct? Detail sheet and status sheet, correct? In detail sheet, you are providing your details, like which project you have enrolled, what is your name, what is your email, branch, college name, correct? In status sheet, you are actually giving the details about your project status for all the different templates that I have explained. Okay. So that sheet also has to be filled. Okay. And whichever serial number you are filling in the status sheet, that serial number has to be given here in the detail sheet. Okay. For example, you are on which serial number? You are on 17 serial number, right? Go to status sheet serial number 17 and fill it here. Okay. Sometimes what's happened, like some students are filling on different serial numbers. So that is why I'm giving the same serial number here. I have given the status sheet serial number here. Okay. Yes, Randi Shrivalli. Guys, please do not change the details. Do not change others' details in the sheet, guys. Guys, please do not edit any other details of other students, guys. If I found such kind of cases, I will remove you. I will block you for further changes in the sheet. Okay. So please keep in mind that. Do not change anybody else details. If you do so, if I found such kind of cases, I will just block you and you will not get the access to this sheet. Okay. So this data sheet is like a mirror to you, like you are exactly where and how where are other students working on. Okay. Yes, Neha Segal, I'm just checking with my team. She will upload as soon as possible. Okay. Answer Zalil, yes, if you want to download the data set, you need to have an account on Kaggle. To download the data set from Kaggle, you need to have an account on Kaggle. Still you guys are filling the sheet. Please fill the sheet. You can see, guys, as of now, only Arihan Jain has completed the certain templates. He has completed two templates, project development and problem statement template. Rest, all of you are still in progress. Some of you are even there who have not even enrolled for the projects also. Please enroll in projects also. How can I get the data to complete the project? Which data you're expecting, Prabhav Gupta? You have to enroll in the project. In the project portal, you get all the details. Guys, please enroll in your projects in your portal. Prabhav Gupta, have you enrolled to the project in the platform? Aditya Gaura's second form is the sub sheet, right? In the bottom, you can see detail sheet and status sheet. Click on the status sheet. So when you enroll in the project, you'll get all the steps over there. Your project with milestones and activities. Okay, just follow all the steps. Once you enroll for a project, Prabhav Gupta, you'll get everything in your platform itself. Okay, what are the steps you have to follow to complete your project? All the reference steps are given there in order to complete the project. Guys, please give your college name, comma, your state name. College name, comma, state. Fill the college name, comma, state. Siddharth Chauhan, if you're not present in the last two sessions, please wait. You'll get the recordings, but I'll just give you overall. You have to log into your platform, enroll for your project. In your project itself, all the reference steps are there given to you. Okay, follow the steps to complete the project along with the data set. And please do watch the two sessions, the last two sessions. I'm not able to do any change in that. How can I do? Prabhat, please check. Edit access is given. You can do it. Edit access is given to all of you. You can do it. Edit access is given to all of you guys. You can edit it. Do not edit anybody else's details. Guys, there are 34 students who have filled the detail sheet and only 22 students who have filled the status sheet. Please fill the status sheet also, all of you. Please fill the status sheet. Please fill the status sheet. Saryan Jain, what is your query? Guys, please fill the status sheet also. No one of you have completed the two cases. How can I log in the portal? Prabhav Gupta, you would have received the credentials, correct? For the platform. Which all steps were there, Arihant? Sir, my name is not showing there. I have not completed any project. Can I complete now after class? Prabhav Gupta, you have to fill this sheet. I don't understand, guys, why you are guys are not able to understand simple English. I have shared one sheet. You guys have to provide your details in that sheet. Why is it so difficult to understand these things? Tell me, guys. Is it so difficult? Am I not clear in the communications? I have shared one sheet. I have given you the edit access. You have to fill the sheet. You guys don't join on time. You join late. At least join on time. Look into any important announcement if it is there. If not there, you can leave the session. No worries. Prabhat, I have shared one sheet. I have given you the edit access. Please fill the sheet. Okay. Scroll down and fill that sheet. Uh, in the project proposal doc, is it okay to remain unchanged the resource requirement? Yes, Parthiv Patel, it's okay if you do not change the resource requirement. But in the description, you have to provide the details, right? What software, hardware you have used. Those details you have to provide. Correct? What is your configuration of your laptop? That only you can provide. Usually, most of you are working on i7 processors, I think so. i7, 8 GB, like that only. I'm not sure, but this is my system configuration, so that is why I'm telling you. There's only one file that is inflation.csv, which we have to upload it. But in the video, there are sheets, three sheets. How they should come to. What is the project title? Inflation, right? 1 second. Let me see. One second, guys. I'm not able to download that video. Yes, Parthiv Patel, that is okay. There's only one data set now. Why you're saying three data sets? Okay. This country name with regions, you can search it in Google also, no? Data set on country name with region. If you search it like this, you'll get some good details. Country region data. You can see this is a GitHub file. Country region data. Where is that? Let me see. Data set packages. Country mapping. Hmm. This data set also contains country name and region, right? You can use this one also. Countries and economies, countries or CSVs. Let me select this one. Okay, then countries to region. Region. What else is there? You are in the sheet. Country, it's the country code and all the country region data. States. Alpha 2, alpha 3. You can use this one. I think so. This is the one. Country mapping. Okay. So you can see here for this specific data set, we have the same thing, right? You can use this one. You can download this one. Okay, where are you now? Let me go to here. All right, this is the one. And what else we have? So we just have the country name and the region now. Go with merge queries. So to merge it on the country names. And after that, okay, what is the third table? So this is the data that you already have, correct? And this is the data that we have just created. So you can just merge it, right? After this, what is the DAX? You can skip that Arihan chain if it is not used in the relationship. You can skip that one. Okay. Whatever two tables which are formed through relationships, you can proceed with that. All right. Modeling error will come if you're going with wrong kind of relationships. SJ. Please refer the data cleaning and data loading steps. Okay. Aryan Jain, please try once again. Then let me know. Prabhav Gupta, if there is no details in your project, it's because I think so. It's not possible. We have already given all the projects to all the students. Can you share your credentials here? Aryan Jain, you can skip that DM region table. Okay. Maybe it is not in use. So that is why the trainer has not recorded for it. Clear now? Okay. Please try it. I've also shared you the dataset of continents CSV file. Please use it. Some DAX query would have been used there. Now check it now. What is the DAX query they have used? Where is that column? Adjusted inflation rate. See, this is a formula. multiplying it by 0.01 to get the inflation rate. We have seen one column, right? How to create one new column, correct? Revenue column. If you remember the Superstore DAX queries, we have seen how to create one new column. Okay, with that you can do. And is there any difference? What is that? You can pause the screen. You can see what they are doing here. They're creating an inflation rate category where if your inflation rate is less than 2, it will be considered low. If it is between 2 and 5, it is moderate. Else, it is going to be high. And where is that inflation difference? Where are you getting it? Inflation difference. Okay. Inflation rate. Arihant, understand here, they are just taking the difference between the inflation rate and adjusted inflation. Here, this inflation rate difference is nothing but the difference between these two columns, inflation rate and adjusted inflation. If you see 13.4 minus 1.34, it comes out to be, I think, 12.06. 22.2 minus 2.22, it will come out to be 19.08. That is what it is even created. Did you try that? You can go with the new column and there you can pass it. All right, please try that now. Wow, Gupta, unless and until you share me your login credentials, how will I see whether you have got the projects or not? Can you share me your login credentials, Prabha Gupta? Where you have shared me? Shared? Please check. I think so. You have not yet shared me. Share me, then only I will be able to see now. Okay. Anybody else with any other queries, please post it. If you guys don't have any query, you can leave. Siddharth Chauhan, I have already checked with my team. They will get it updated as soon as possible. Okay. Why your username and password is not correct? Have you checked it? Can you share me the entire message on your email? Whatever email you have got, can you share me the entire email? Showing incorrect username and password to me. So what is the password? not allowing me to go inside it. What is the password? Can you share me? Guys, if you have any queries, please ask. Otherwise, if you don't have any queries, you can leave. You're saying you have reset your password, right? Then how will it work? What is the new password that you have set? What is that new password that you have set? If you have reset your password, it will not work, correct? Prabha Gupta, can you share me the new password? Please check. Prabha Gupta, is this the credential given to you by us? It should work. Why it is not working? Why there was a need to reset the password when you already had the password in the credentials? Hmm? Nandini, please fill the details in the sheet. It is not me who is filling the details in the sheet. It is you who have to fill the sheet. Please provide the details in that sheet. You guys join late in the sessions and you'll ask unnecessary questions. I have shared a sheet. I've asked all the students to fill that sheet. What is this now? Siddharth Jain, you have to go for the recordings playlist that we have shared in the notes to watch the recordings. Okay. To see the recordings, you have to go to the notes. In that notes, I have attached the playlist, YouTube playlist. You have to check that. Okay. Skip this, Siddharth. Maybe you have enrolled for 2 courses. That is why you're getting multiple things. Okay, you can skip that. No need to worry. You have already attended the cohort 1, right? So no need to worry. Anybody else? Any queries? Don't worry, Siddharth. You have joined the cohort 1, so you have to submit your project according to the cohort 1 only. No, Siddharth, not an issue. Prabha Gupta. In the defined problem statement template, we make any of the problems tried to solve. Parthiv Patel, in problem statement, you have to present your particular problem in form of scenarios. Prabha Gupta, even I have tried, we are not able to log in, but can you check the email that you have received from our side regarding your credentials? Can you check that email? Where is that email? Check into your registered email ID regarding the credentials. Yes, Siddharth, you can leave. Yes, 3 of 2 given in the project. No, Parthiv Patel, you don't have to do exactly the same scenario. You can come up with your own scenarios. Okay, you have to come up with your own scenario and you have to create that in that particular table. All right. Scenario wise, like what can be a scenario to overcome that particular problem? Think in that way. Parthiv Patel, you have to come with your own idea. Guys, if you have any queries, please ask. If you do not have any queries, you can leave. Please work on your projects. You have to fill the table as well as you have to create on Miro also. Prabhav Gupta, can you go to the guided project section? Can you go to the guided project section? Prabhav Gupta, can you go and click on guided project section and check it? Others, any queries, please post. I think so. This is a different platform that you're using, Prabhav Gupta. To use the skill wallet platform, not the Smart Indians platform. You have to use this link. Guys, others, can you just tell me from which kind of email you have received for the credentials? Can somebody share the email? Prabha Gupta, you need to check your registered email ID. There you have already received the proper credentials. Okay. This is something that you guys have created your account on Smart Indians without any further informing us. Somebody share that content of the email that you have received from our side for the registered email ID. Somebody share me the content of that email so that I can explain him. This one, Arihant, I am asking about the login credentials you have received from our side, right? That email I'm asking. All of you have received some credentials from us, right? The login credentials. I need that email screenshot with the subject. Skill wallet, correct. See, Prabha Gupta, you'll be receiving this kind of email from our side. What is the subject, Shweta, for this email? Can you share the subject line? so that he can search with that particular subject in his line of that email because of okay. Prabha Gupta, please check with this particular subject. Please check with this particular subject. In that credential, you have to log in and check for your project. Okay. Guys, anybody else with any other queries? Anybody else with any queries? Please complete the sheet that I've shared you and please keep updating the sheet. Even if you're not joining the session, please at least update that sheet so that we can come to know like you're working on which particular sheet or which particular template. All right. So if I just look into that sheet, I can see some of you have not even enrolled for the project. Only few people are working on the templates. Total 2 students who have given the details in the detail sheet and in status sheet only 32. 10 students still are pending. They have not given the details in the status sheet. 10 students have not provided their details in the status sheet. Only 42 students have given their details in the status sheet. Karthik, recordings will be updated. Now, Gupta, please share me your details. Share me your credentials. Let me see. These are the projects, correct? The problem is you're not attending sessions regularly. That is why you are facing so much of issues. You see, I have enrolled in your with your credentials, right? You have to go to Skill Wallet. In Skill Wallet, you have to go to the Data Analytics with Power BI tab, click on Access Resources, go to Group Projects, and here are your 5 use cases. You have to enroll on any one. Am I clear? Am I clear, Prabhav? All right. So please do it. Okay. These things I've already explained earlier also. I think you have missed that sessions. No worries. Now it's clear, right? You can do it. Enroll on any one particular project and start working on your bit. What about others, guys? You don't have any queries. You are simply sitting idle here in the session. Why are you not asking queries? Guys, I have shared you the drive link of the project, not the project, means the status sheet. Okay. And I've also shared you the notes drive link where all the required what you can explore. Okay. In that notes, the recording link is present. In that notes, your dataset links are also present. So please explore those things. All right. Others, any queries, please ask me. If you do not have any query, you can leave. Please do not sit idle. Please complete your project. If you have got any queries, please ask. Prabha Gupta, that is what I'm repeating multiple times. If you do not have any queries, you can leave. Don't have any queries, guys, you can leave. Guys, any queries, you can ask. Guys, I think so. There is no more queries, so we can end the session now. Okay, I'll end the session. I have waited enough for you. You're not asking any queries. We'll meet tomorrow again. If you have any queries, you can ask in tomorrow's session. All right. Bye, guys. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Bye all. Thanks, Satvika. Bye bye.